Hello, my name is Fabio Atwater, and today we will be discussing chloroplast structure.
And now, to give you some background information about chloroplasts, we have a completely legitimate video, legally obtained of course, from one of the world's top scientists on chloroplastology. Enjoy!
Okay, tell them your name.
My name? It shall not be revealed.
And are you the oh wait, that's the wrong movie. Okay, so tell us, what do you know about chloroplasts?
I don't know anything.
Where are they?
I don't know. Okay.
Where are the chloroplasts?
They're inside the plants.
And what do they do?
They help plants live by making food.
Okay, and are they found in animals?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And what color are chloroplasts?
They're greenish.
What part of the plant are they found in?
The leaves.
I don't think you're telling the truth.
No.
Are you sure that's all you know?
Yes, I'm sure.
The first structure of a chloroplast is called the thylakoid. It is the structure where photosynthesis occurs.
After the chlorophyll and accessory pigments absorb light in the photosystem too, its energy is used to transfer electrons to the electron transport chain. Meanwhile, water molecules are broken into oxygen, hydrogen ions, and electrons. The electron transport chain transfers the electrons from photosystem 2 to photosystem 1. Hydrogen ions are moved from the stroma into the inner thylakoid by the energy given off by the electrons. In photosystem 1, more light energy is added to the electrons. NADP+ takes in the electrons from the NADPH. The inside of the thylakoid gains a positive charge due to the concentration of hydrogen ions. The hydrogen ions need to be actively transported through the membrane by the ATP synthase. As they are passing through, the ions spin the synthase, creating energy that converts ADP into ATP.
The second structure of a chloroplast is called the granum, and it is actually made up of a stack of thylakoids, much like a hot stack of pancakes at the breakfast. The third structure of a chloroplast is actually not a structure at all. It is the empty space in the chloroplast, called the stroma, where the light-independent reaction, or Kelvin cycle, occurs.
In the light-independent reactions, or Kelvin cycle, carbon dioxide, along with various other components, is made into a 3-carbon sugar. First, 3 carbon dioxide molecules combine with 3 ribulose biphosphate molecules to make 6 3-phosphoglycerates. Phosphates are taken from ATP and added to the phosphoglycerates to produce biphosphoglycerates. NADPH is used with the biphosphoglycerates to make 6 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates, or G3P. One of the G3P molecules is given off. The rest combine with more ATP to produce 3 ribulose biphosphates. These are used with more carbon dioxide molecules. Once 2 full cycles takes place, the 2 G3P molecules can be combined to create 1 glucose molecule.
The chloroplast has 2 membranes, the intermembrane and the outer membrane, with a small space in between called the intermembrane space. Both membranes are lipid bilayers.
And this is what it looks like when you put it all together.
Oh no!
Okay, student, what is the balanced reaction for photosynthesis?
Q times square root of the Batman symbol?
No, you are wrong. Off to the processing center with you, where you will be made into cheap filler meat for restaurants like Taco Bell. Now go! Okay, peons. The balanced reaction for photosynthesis is 6 molecules of water plus 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus light turns into 1 molecule of glucose plus 6 molecules of oxygen.
It's so cold.
Cold affects photosynthesis by changing the shape of the enzymes in the chloroplast that break down water and carbon dioxide. This slows the enzyme down tremendously, even stopping the reaction. These obviously can slow or even stop the photosynthesis reaction.
Conversely, heat can also break down the shape of the enzymes, also causing the photosynthesis reaction to stop or slow down.
Why hello there, Mr. Plant. It is quite hot over here.
Two, as is to be expected, light intensity also affects the rate of photosynthesis occurs. As the intensity increases, photosynthesis increases up until a certain point.
Now, I am here to fill in for our plant friend, who was recently deceased in a terrible fish tank-related accident. He never stood a chance. Anyway, I am here to tell you about how CO2 can affect the rate of photosynthesis. Much like water, CO2 will positively increase the rate of photosynthesis in the plant if there is more of it around. But unlike water, you cannot drown a plant in carbon dioxide. There are, however, much more subtle effects that will affect the plant. Carbon dioxide is one of the main greenhouse gases, and if you increase the CO2 significantly, you increase the heat of the earth significantly. So therefore, if you have too much CO2, the earth becomes a burning wasteland of fiery death. So, we all saw what happens when there is too much heat to a plant. That is all. Now, that is all for our lesson today, students. I hope you have enjoyed having me as a teacher. Wait a minute. This pile of mangled socket bodies is not in the shop, is it? No matter. I will be back in motherland long before the police have even begun to suspect me. Now, I must fly. Ooh.
Hi, my name is Chloroplast, take 6.
Oh no! Oh no!